Ja, prawie. Yay! Ja. Sorry about that. Perfect, thank you, sorry for that. Hello pawb, croeso nôl, welcome back pawb. Welcome back everybody. So, Asian Dribbles, diolch I pawb fod yma, thank you everybody for being here. Thank you pawb sy'n bod yn lurcio in the recent stream as well. Diolch I pawb sy'n bod yn lurcio yn yr ffrydiau hyn diweddar. Oh, gwylio VODs. Oh, if you've been watching the VODs, thank you so much as well. So these are streamed live because of the way that I cannot record these. I can't upload to YouTube, so that's how I upload to YouTube. Dyna sut dwi yn fynilwytho I YouTube. Dwi yn ffordio'n fyw, so os ydych chi'n gwylio ar VOD, diolch nes ydych chi yn fyw yn y stream. Croeso, a diolch am gwylio. We are on 3rd gen at the moment. I did a Fibonacci legacy. So the rules of my legacy are basically each generation follows the Fibonacci rule, which is 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13. At one point it's going to get like 134. The Sims legacy fi ar gyfer gwahanol genhedlaethion. Dwi yn defnyddio y rheola Fibonacci, sef 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, a un pwynt sydd yn mynd I 134, so bydd hynna'n fun. That'd be fun. Also, so I'm doing base game, game-based, impact and bid or anything like that. So yeah, welcome to the thing. So recap of last time. Mai's pregnant, we aged up. Nath ni oedio fyny Mai a cael penblwydd ar gyfer nath I colli penblwydd Maynard. We missed Maynard's birthday. We aged up Ceridwen. So Ceridwen is a teen, mae Ceridwen yn teen. Also, I did not realise, nes I ddim sylweddoli, pa chi'n cael babi gwyddonol when you have a science baby, you have it straight away. So this has added a little bit more chaos than I expected. We now have Telyn here. So, yeah, that's going to be fun because we need to get rid of this now. Dwi'n gael guard o hwn. Then the whole point o'r stafell yma newydd, is the whole point in this room. It's the different kids room, so if they'll sylfod yn iawn, I'm going to try and age up Telyn. Dwi'n mynd trio oedio fyny Telyn gyd gymaint so dwi'n gallu as quick as I can, because babies and infants don't really do anything in base game, in the bid and base game. So that's fun. Also, where are you, Bella Goth? Bella Goth was here when I finished. Bella Goth yn fflwtio gwmpas. Might have gone now. That's a ysbryd Bella Goth yn fflwtio gwmpas. We still need to go. Oh, they broke the dollhouse. That's the dollhouse. Is it doll? Okay. Does di gysgu? You go sleep. So dyna lle da ni. That is where we are. Yeah. Okay, you go make sure the baby's okay. Oh, we can age them up. Okay. Honestly, potentially, but I don't know. Dwi'n gwybod. Gan I weld. Okay, did you need to know? Did you gwaith bod 9 hour? We got work in 9 hours for you. So yeah, that happened. I'm going to try to age them up today. I think that it says anyway I'll age up by the end of the day. So we're getting an infant. We'll have another infant. Lovely. So the potential we'll have either toddler, 2 toddlers, 2 toddler yn amser, neu ddim. Oh no, we're aging up for Mai tomorrow. We're going to do a little birthday party for Mai tomorrow. just in teuluol, just one small family one. And then, yeah. Oh, you could be adult tomorrow. Okay. You could be elder. Hopefully, by the time that amser mae pennod yn teen and Ceridwen is Nadal and Doylan. I'm gonna get Enwys to move out the house a symud fewn hefo Crystal. That's the plan. Do have a plan for another house, but I think we might be a long way from that because it's a little bit more expensive. Bech mwy dretach na be'n i'n meddwl. Yeah, you got school in the morning. Ti di neud with Catra? Yeah, you have. Cool. Betty Annan, you don't need anything. Why don't you actually go do that? Man, that's but you got like a lot of Sims. Plenty of a lot of Sims, man, of that. Man, lots. So you don't have to do that. Tim got it now. Deep in loud, you can have food. Try to have a crystal hefyd. Because, you know, mae hyn wedi priodi dy chwaer. She has been married to your sister. Ti angen toilet. Dos i toilet. Cael siwr a wedyn cael bwyd. I think da ni yn lle dda I actually dechrau. Oh, na ni, there's Bella Goth. Cos of course. Ask about who. Yeah, I think my music. How my music fi? That could be too loud. You know that. So yeah, so I think that's like everything sorted. Dwi'n credu. Do you need to do? Ti'n di dechrau dy gwaith cartre? Do you even have the right homework? Ti efo gwaith cartre? Oh, in that I do need to do this as well. We have to go into build mode. So then we need to get the infant. Cot ar gyfer yr infant. And it hawsach. Ah, so cadw gwely. I should have really just kept the bed. Excuse me, pam ti'n mynd fanna? Pam ddim? Ti'n yn y gornel? Why are you not doing it there? Let me put it in the corner. Okay. You're being weird. Because my pethau'n hangio. Stuff hanging from it. Okay. just gyfer we just move that to there for now. Can I put that in there? No, I can, just not in this mode. Never mind, that's really weird.
Maparu. Oh,
Niba Hana, Pampini.
Chosu Yangi.
Okay. Tiana, do you need to do anything for work-wise? You completed that. Did you go fun on didn't check. Maynard is sleeping. Maynard and a gyfer skills one. But to get an answer, you need everything up. I want to try to get everything up to 3. J-Bob didn't call an 3, so we need creativity mainly. I want to get the thing anyway. Mental, motor, social is good. Well, I'll go one with social. No, I think that'll be fine. So I think we do mental, we do creativity first. Tiana do well inspired. Okay. Tiana, do you need to do anything? Tiana boyd a cwsg, so I'm going to get you to do. Just make some food. I gotta help get some food for everybody. Oh, there's an update soon as well. Man, updates newydd dod fyny. Looks really interesting. So by the next point, I believe it said in the Sims thing and Bethesda Sims, there's like gonna be like a few more features and stuff. More features of Bethesda. Little Simsy on here, who's a wonderful Simmer, also does stuff on Twitch. Many Bethesda Twitch hefyd. Covers a lot of like really good Sims news and stuff. So Bella and Llai, Bella's cleaning. Oh, we're gonna take family leave, panting. We are going to need you to look after the baby. You're going to need to you had to chroll the baby. So peppered to our gwaith. When do you have work? 8 hours. We are really close to. This got weird. Get food. We're really close to getting level 10 on the program we have. It's really did that on. Never had that. So can you just do a bit of programming for me? I don't know where I was gone. Don't like that you're red, Bella. Dwi'n licio bod chdi'n coch. Be ti'n neud, Bella? Like... Family gathering, I guess. Family gathering, mama. Oh no, not quite family gathering. So Denny with benevolent spirit. Okay. Calls. Calls. Ah, that's fine. We'll, you know. See? Oh no! Hugo really handy. Hugo is really handy because they actually, like, you know, cleaned up and stuff.
Snurza. Moopy. Saber snurza. Prifna. What do you mean?
Charlie and I talk to your diagramma because that makes sense in Sims. It makes complete sense in Sims. Oh, okay. Where's the fire on? Okay. I'm just so because of the baby, because of the baby. I'm just honestly, you know. Just yeah. So I think you need sleep, but I just want you to get to level 10. Level 10 dig. You need toilet. Do you have a toilet eto? That's so weird. Okay. I don't know. I know. I should just Mali. I broke something then, like the sequence. My babi yn cysgu. Baby sleeping, cools. No. Yeah. Hynna, hynna. I just kind of like weirdly reset everybody, like Pam. I want you to get to level 10. Dwi eisiau cael chdi mynd I level 10, please. She's good. Okay, yeah, os mae'n da, pam nath I malu cyn cymaint o beth? If you're good, why did you break so much of my stuff? Do you need gwyth catra? No! Oh, come on. Also, pam mae hwnna fanna? Then we go to sleep. So it was kind of like broken. Nath o malu rhai, a dim hefyd. Then you're gonna need to, yeah, I don't think to trwsio nhw, that's good. Yeah, but at the kids, Hugo was just really handy. Hugo just really handy, well, with the babies and everything. Yes, sweet. That's what I wanted you to do. So is that gonna give us anything now? No, but I like our computer was it will? I don't know. Okay, that's cool. Demon Cascade, you can go sleep. No, you can't go sleep. Oh, we got diaper on, nappy ar llawr. Got diaper on the floor as well. Yeah, it's your turn to do all of this. Cuddle, and then you can go sleep. Demon Cascade. So pan ni'n dod genhedlaeth, oh, this is good practice, I guess. Mae'n yn practice dda, cos pan da ni fatha yn... Ti'n mynd i babi? Yes, you are going to baby. Yeah, mae fe'n dod, somebody's coming. Lle, ti'n neud dy gwaith catch-up? Are you doing your homework? Yes, you are. I don't know. Bella. Lle wyt ti wan? Oh, pan ti'n y bin? I honestly dwi'n mynd i cymryd y bedd yma I ffwrdd. I'm gonna take this grave back. Have you broken it? Nah. Can you just try and calm down, please? I don't know. Has anybody played with spirits like this? Didn't it just molly? Because my first ghost that's done this, one of the ysbryd gyntaf did wneud hyn. This is my first ghost that's done this. Even when they're green, like. Yeah, really rhyfedd. It's really weird. Get you to repair that. Just to shove up them. You piece the ghost. Get you a piece of ysbryd. Lle chdi? Oh, Envis, why have you woken up? Okay, man. I thought Thingy was dealing with babi. Right, okay. Ti di action neud o? Naddo. Ti'n just stand...
Shyla.
Actually, ddylsen ni cael y bin fan i fanna. Just get the bin for up top. Really. That would be really handy. Oh, you're doing your homework there. Okay. That's dynnu chdi. I think I might rejig this and cael gwarad o'r cyfrifiadur, get rid of the computer in here so they do the homework in their own room. Potentially. Oh. This is like tough to get this many when I'm on a baby because it's like you fast forward it and they just haven't done anything with it. Nothing to be efo nhw. Okay, but ti Annan. O ti'n am bwyd. Kurt, ti eisiau mynd I cysgu? It's annoying because we're going to have a few people awake now. Dwi'n gallu just fatha fast forwardio fel sy'n ni'n neud as I would do put out and then si cysgu. Baby's fine. I need to get on with things. Right, so your skills and everything are good, but completed. Daniela, so what do you need? We need to dip you back on the piano and we can write piano songs. Because basically, I'm doing the guitar songs, but I feel like if we try and get the piano songs, because ti'n cael mwy o press, you get more money that way. So I'm going to try and get it piano to that level. Piano level yna. Need you to go there. You appeasing the ghost? Just appease your ghost. Ti'n am bwyd. Okay, it was interesting time, and then amser diddorol, so then they come back for a teeny bit then. That's chaotic. Babi and cysgu. What do you need? I'm just going to queue up and just fast forward your stuff. Food, you want to go back to sleep and shower. Okay, showered from pawb to cysgu. We got this, Danny efo hwn. This is how you multitask. Dim ond sut ti'n multitaskio. Pan ma'n 7 o gloch, I think I gotta wake up the kids up so they can have bwyd efo dim. So we technically might have 2 adults home tomorrow. Dau adolyn ar gyfer y babi fory. Should be handy. Cool, so. Be ti anan? So da ni'n gallu cael siwan yn y byd eto. You grab some food. Cael mwy bwyd I chdi. Chdi, be ti anan? What do you want, my little ones? Ti'n am bwyd a toilet. So dos I toilet ar fama, because we got the one in the rad, we got the one in the garden. Did I auto light this actually? Nah, nes I ddim. God, I don't know. I wonder if yeah. I wonder if so it's not nappy arall fama? I thought I got all of them. Oh no, I'm great. I do like keeping this room. So I was debating giving me another room, stafell one, their own room now. However, it's really handy because the nappies just fall in that room and I ddim yn glitch anywhere. I didn't glitch ar ôl un lla. Do you honestly, I think might just eat them up. No, illa just oedden nhw fyny yn daytime. Yn yr dydd, amser dydd, so da chi'n cael bwyd, you're having food, you're going to be going to school, ti'n mynd I ysgol. Mai needs to get up, Mai yna'n mynd fyny. I just like getting them up an hour early so they can cael bwyd. Because they tend to, it tends to like, I think, I think it tends to work better that way then. Ti yna'n toilet as well. Go through down here. Don't know if you have time for shower. Ti amser gyfer shower. Ti off I ysgol. I'm gonna get you to make friends. Dydd gyntaf. Is it first day is a teen. Dydd gyntaf fel teen. I di wneud ysgol. Excuse me, pam ti ddim yn y ffordd? Ti ar ffordd 1. I ysgol, it's cool. Do you have work today? Do you have gwaith with you? Dig out later on. So okay, cool. So we have two. I don't have a diolch technically. Technically, have two adults. I do want Envis to age him up though. Do should Envis hold you over there? Get you a bit more sleep, then you can go loo. Just fast forward it a bit back. I think it's gonna take a minute to check out a baby. You can check on the baby first, actually. So, for my... No, that's what I want. T-Defra, okay, baby needs... So, I think the way now that the sim tree looks is... we're going to expand you, I think. So, on the day, like I did said at the start, the... good morning, Sam. Sit at tea, how are you? So, we have got Envis and Crystal have got the science baby, the babi gwyddonol. So now we have got... how are you both keeping? So then we have... this is Envis's family now, so we've got two stepchildren. Which are both adults. Oh, cool. So maybe we could still get Crystal to move in then? Potentially. Oh. And then I'm in null. So we only got that Daiga and Headlights so far. We only got 2 generations fanna. And then mae'n mynd, it zones out, mae'n dechrau branchio allan. So we got, and then we have the third one, which is the third one, baby that's on the way, third baby Sarah 4. And that will be the third generation of the Fibonacci legacy finished. Then we just get them aged up and stuff like that, and then it'll be we need 5 kids for the next one. It's gonna start going little. Mae'n dechrau mynd o fwy. I'm doing good, thank you. Doing pretty well, just enjoying some Martin time for working on next video. Oh, what are you working on? Bit yn gweithio ar? Go follow Sam. Sam is wonderful. Mae Sam yn anhygoel, ysbrydion music. Does amazing music on games and stuff. And just really talented drummer and musician. Okay, so cut. T Defra, you carry on sleeping, Envis. They got this. Taking it in turns. Yeah. I know. Sometimes the Sims just takes ages to get to the babies that man. Ages to be baby and always a teeny bit confused. So 11:30. Okay. It's the toilet. I'm gonna get age the baby up because there's something about the power of gameplay. There's just a lot of gameplay with the babies that I find interesting. The infants a little more. The infants tipyn bach mwy. They got a little bit more autonomy. Yeah, they just got a little bit personal, you know, if personally for my gameplay, I'd go at gameplay. Maybe if I had the growing together pack, but I don't have any packs. This is all like base game. One and that base game. Okay, so first pop-up. I have all products in the group. My get an official word that a competitor is coming with a product nearly identical to the one she's tasked with developing. They can alert upper management for hang tight and honour the competitor's falls on his face. I think alert upper management, so then you're not copying the you know, you don't have any copyright issues and stuff like that then, potentially. And these are all maybe because it's the video game they were working on, video yn gweithio ar yn y game. Can I not? Okay, so having like more babies kind of need place for you, making our money go more, but that'd be handy when we have like a bajillion ones, money for lots more. Right, so oh, I didn't do this. Maynard, yeah, Maynard. Dydd gyntaf chdi yn ysgol, it's your first day in school, I believe, is it? Ie, rhaid i unwaith. Mae gweithio galad. So we can try get, I want to try and get the tech career as well, because I think we're quite high in it. Dwi'n meddwl quite uchel, I don't know. Development captain, so we're one of the devs now, so and done. We might need to work on our video game skill, that's the one Rhaid Daddy and I need. So yeah, you can wake up whenever you want. What are you doing? You got the baby all sorted, the baby's all sorted. Get some food, cardboard. Then you can work on your mixology skill. Do you sort the baby? Age it up, because it's easier. Just, yeah. It's easier. Man just house her. Isn't it out tonight? But it's for Twin Peaks. Oh, nice. Is that the demo that was on TikTok? A demo of their TikTok that I saw. Yeah, it's easier just to age them up, if I'm honest. Okay, let's randomise the trait. Bain and gal. Or do we want an intense infant? I mean, they're also more difficult to calm down when a bad mood. Okay, yeah, cool. That's fun. How do you look in Cass? Oh, you got stylish. Tian stylish. You are very stylish. Yeah, you're gonna be fun. I can't even look at you in Cass. Okay. So TNM Boyd, you want food and fun and stuff. Okay, cool. Change outfits. So it's going to be a fun infant. Alla sefyll bod cadw fatha babi. I wonder, dwi'n wondro os na am bod fi wedi because I aged them up while they were crying if it was intense. But I loved this generation. Gyda is what we kind of like, you know. Generation is my experimental generation because I'm trying to see telling a nap. Nah, baby kit. feed. That one. Clean up. A wedyn rhaid bwyd yn ôl. Do we have the high chain? Danny, I have a high chain barod. Sweet, we didn't get rid of it. Big brain stuff. I was thinking, o'n i'n meddwl cael gwared fo. I was thinking about getting rid of it. So you've done, so we're doing, we're doing Fibonacci legacy. So I'm trying to Sims legacy. We're doing, my bob cenhedlaeth each generation is going by the Fibonacci one, inspired by Tool's song, Can Tool. So, hence why we have Maynard in this generation. Then we have Maynard and cenhedlaeth yma. And basically, it goes, it's following the Fibonacci rule, Fibonacci legacy. So the first generation was meant to have 1, but we ended up having 2, so we jumped. So Fibonacci rules 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 13, 21, 40 something. So dyna beth ni'n trio wneud. That is what we're trying to do. So we will have in the main legacy, this is for Envises, the main family is Ceridwens. In the main part of the legacy, we are basically Danny. We're basically trying to trio cael, so we're gonna Danny cael tree base game and stuff. So it's the other thing with that I've seen. There's like really cool legacies on here by James Turner YT. With the horse ranch and stuff. Little Simsy has got mana. Little Simsy efo lot o nhw hefyd. With like varying different gwahanol. It's always to see different like gwahanol legacies pawb. Kelsey and Peaches maybe. Just spell that many on, I like how everybody's got my legacy Sims pawb yn wahanol. Their Sims legacies all different. So dyna beth ni'n trio wneud. That's what we're trying to do. Initially, yn y dechrau hefyd, we're trying to do different skill for each one. Skill gwahanol o gyfer un pawb. But that wasn't quite working. Doedd hwnna ddim yn quite gweithio. So, that wasn't quite working with trying to get a skill for each, like max out one skill. A ni jyst ddim yn cael digon o amser, just not, because I'm playing on short lifespan. Dwi'n chwarae short lifespan hefyd. I wasn't getting enough time in between them all. So, dyna beth ni'n trio wneud. That's what we're trying to do. So with an infant, so the growing together is the main pack, lle ti'n cael mwy o interaction. Growing together is the main pack where you're getting more interaction and stuff. You're getting more interaction and stuff with growing together. Also, The Sims, I just hate like the toddler and thingy in base game because they're just like, it takes ages for them to do stuff. Sometimes when they just sefyll yna, they just stand there. Like, weithiau, sometimes it just take a little longer to do stuff weithiau hefyd. But I don't know. I can't really say much in the essence of deud lot efo, you know. I did ffrindiau, they made friends. Need it. I have to soothe to sleep because you're an intense baby. I didn't cael bwyd ag arach digs for the babi and cysgu. Hopefully the baby will be sleeping. And then I'm also trying to get the max out of like music stuff hefyd. Trio cael pethau max out music and some there's different skills and stuff. Un yn toilet wedyn. I think you can do this. Let's pluck for inspiration and okay. Oh. Okay, that baby's gonna be fun. That baby's gonna be fun. Very much fun. So what skill are you in? What past skill ti angen one? You need level 7, but good. So this, and also the experiment you're doing, I brought over to call the different skills and stuff. So I haven't done mixology in any other ones. Wait, you know that, when is the baby infant eating up? I do not. Yay. Okay, that's fine. We can do this. Then I gallu neud o. We'll have everybody take like a day off tomorrow. Cael dydd ffwr, cos da ni fo... No. Are we doing that? Pwy sy'n weithio? Kurt can take a day off, but everybody else is off, so mae'n iawn. That's good. We can have babi day and just concentrate on the kids a bob dim, carry a lot of plants, a my have a little family gardening ella. Do need to go to the cemetery as well. Actually, I'd rather make sure you're taking care of the baby first. A wedyn o'n mynd i'r mynwent. So I need yeah, go for it. So Johnny's asked I didn't Bob pancakes think hefyd, so I need to do an neud hynna. Is he asleep? Cool. Okay, now that I'm ready to cysgu, we go Kurt. Andy Kurt. Ti fancy mynd I mynwent? Let's go to the graveyard quickly. I know you're inspired, but let's go to... I just want to go put this in the graveyard. Did you mynd I the inventory? Yes, duh, Mildy. Cool. Okay, so let's do that. We're doing... Hey, Jess! Oh, are you... No, I thought you were on the way to Disneyland. I know bod chi ar y ffordd I Disneyland barod. I thought you were on the way to Disneyland already. No, wait. Am I getting my days mixed up? Cael days mixed fyny. Oh, beth this one I don't know. Why was that sound? Why are you uncomfortable? Dim yn gwybod. No idea why. Sims being Sims again. So we'll do this. I got Mai's birthday fory. Oh, I know that. Sorry, I got my dates wrong. I'm glad that the fi'n anghywir. I thought it was earlier. Honestly, time and brain fog and time is an illusion. I'm sad an illusion. So I fully believe that now. Credu na llawn one. Oh, I need to make a curry. Oh, I made onigiri recently as well. When you both come back, I'll make you some homemade onigiri. Pan dach chi'n dod nôl o Disneyland, na I wneud onigiri homemade ar gyfer chi. It was actually much easier than expected to make. And undoubtedly so, yes. Yeah, I can't believe it's like September already, and halfway through September. I haven't done anything for spooky stuff yet. Don't need to put any spooky plans yet. Planning to go with that hairdrive, autumn, or spooky things, anything. Don't think I can do anything spooky for The Sims Legacy. Dwi'n gallu neud unrhyw beth spooky, because dwi'n have seasons. I don't have seasons on here, because that's a separate pack. Okay, so, no, I'll pause you. But anyway, so best game yma, we have mine and Cariad's grave here. Hugo, Herm's grave. So fama, we do Johnny Zest. Doing credit, I believe it was Johnny Zest that popped up. If you want this graveyard as well, this is on the gallery. It also doubles up as a chapel for marrying. Gyda'r priodasa, double nhw fatha a capel bach, little chapel for weddings. So fama, we need to place. Yeah, we've got space in here. So this is the Goth sort of tomb, I guess. Goths fama, so we got the fama gynna ni Deborah, dwi'n credu hwnna. Mortimer, Bella. Don't know why I couldn't get Cassandra is hwnna, sorry. I don't know why I couldn't get that on ddim yn gallu cael nhw. We need Bob and Eliza, because I believe that was one. I know there's a mod. Dwi'n gwybod mae'n a mod. There is a mod for this PC to get the Townie graves, the Cala graves Townie, but I don't have that on PlayStation. Ddim hefo ar PlayStation. I don't know how I got Bella Goths, but oh then. It's a glitch I'm happy to take. So yeah, so then I need Townies fanna. Got all the family ones here, so that's Gen 1. And then this is the Goths in here, Goths of Amma. Yeah, it's on the Sims Gallery as Lynette Creative, all them are. My Tavwil Cardiff Castle build as well is on there. What did you say? But then did. So, but you know. Cassandra's the one that died. So Maynard has met Ethan White while at school, trying to Scott. Good job. I should really put my glasses on. Okay. Then we travel back home. I think we finish up for now. That might be a good place to finish up then. So off stream, I'm gonna just sort the chaos that is the infant. I need to get the pictures up on the wall. I have pictures up on the wall. I need to do what I need to do today. But I don't need to do. Oh, laundry and curry. That's what I need to do. Sorry, my brain. Mynydd fi ddim yn cofio be o'n i'n neud heddiw. So yeah, it's a little bit. I just didn't realise when you have a science baby, you have it straight away in The Sims. To colour straight away in The Sims. So that's going to be interesting. But I think we should be fine because I've tried to get the kids at all different stages. Gwyddonol, darna. So it's not just two toddlers. Die toddler. They met until we get to the stage where we have the 134 child generation, but then I have a slight issue because I've only got an 80 cap on Sims on PlayStation 4 in bed, and I know mods can make it go more, but I don't know what I'm going to do in that bit. I don't know if I'm just going to have to pause this to go pause your challenge somewhere. Going well, we shall see. Or will they have to like just boot Sims out? It's gonna end up 4 allan o 80, 14 out of 80, so we might have to like pause this for a bit. Pause it hwnna gyda dipyn bach to sort out a way to do it. Which is really annoying because I want to get the achievement of like 10 like generation achievement achievements o 30 cenedlaeth. But yeah, so I think it might be a good spot to finish before thingy. So next part, the nesa will age up Mai, no ni oedio fyny Mai fyny to I think adult, and then the baby is my babi and first trimester? Second. So Brahma, the third baby of the gen, is here. And then that will make up, yeah, then with this gen will have 3, it would be cool, then it'll be 5, 8, then more. So we should be good for that. And gobeithio when the baby's here, the angry child will be aged up a toddler gobeithio. I think we can get that working, so it's not too chaotic. Mae'n dipyn bach chaotic, but not too chaotic. So yeah, diolch pawb yn gwylio. Thank you for watching. If you watched live, or os ydych chi'n gwylio ar fod, there's a playlist with all the previous parts. This is part 17, mae hwn yn dan 17. Mae'n a playlist efo parts. Diolch pawb sydd wedi gwylio yn fyw neu wedi bod yn wylio fod. Thank you so much Sam and Jess for being in the chat. Diolch i Sam and Jess fod yn chat. Checiwch allan at SWH Music. Mae'n really talented music and lovely person. I'll put the link in description as well. I'll put the link in description for the Little Simsy playlist, Little Simsy, James Turner and Kelsey Peaches May, who have got legacies with packs in it. So you've legacy challenges with the pack, so you can see the different gameplay. Little Simsy is really good for Sims updates. My Little Simsy really dda go and update Sims. They did one recently with the recent base game updates that are coming up, like the recipes and stuff, but their recipe and dod money. So yeah, diolch pawb yn gwylio. Thank you everybody for watching. I hope you all stay safe. Hope everybody stays safe where and yeah, we might be getting a bit more chaotic with just gameplay. But diolch pawb, thank you for coming. Diolch i pawb am ddod.